Dear parents, a warm welcome. I hope all of you are staying safe and busy through online classes. I recognize how you would react as soon as you hear online classes. Yes, we agree too. It is difficult to manage household chores, work from home, and manage your children online schooling. I'm sure that's why we mothers are called superheroes, isn't it? We pretty much make even impossible things possible. All that we need is a challenging situation like this. I sincerely appreciate all the mothers out there for being so supportive and helping us hand in hand to educate children. Don't forget that TQIS always understands you from a parent perspective and analyzes any issues from your point of view for a healthy relationship. It has been 2 good weeks with online classes. While observing keenly, we could analyze a few hardships or struggles from parents, students, and teachers' perspective during the online sessions. The issues were discussed with our team and we have concluded a solution for the same. So, first, let's start with the discussion of issues and later the solution. So the first raised issue was prolonged screen watching in the device by the children and the teachers, which was creating a bad eye stress for both the students and the teachers, and the distribution of online and offline classes was not even, and the schedule was little hectic for both the teachers and the students. The second raised issue was about the online safety and security. I'm sure the recent incident in Coimbatore has shaken all of us. We must understand that technology can be used for good and bad. So, from such incidents, instead of being sorry, let's learn to be proactive and take some immediate measures to tackle the raising issues. So, safeguarding our children from unwanted information and protecting the student data in public platform is very challenging for both of us. But either way, we should understand and take few measures as our children's safety lies in our hands. Third raised issue was interrupted online classes. Due to low data bandwidth, there were few interruptions in between the online classes. Also, raising traffic in the live classes platform like Zoom and WebEx was getting the system slow and hang quite often. And in families with 2 or more children, there was unavailability of devices to attend the online classes. The fourth raised issue was about the disturbed communication between school, parent, and the student. Due to the online class interruptions in between, there is a delay of communications when passed from teacher to children through parents via WhatsApp. Sometimes this situation leaves the student to interact without supervision until the parent or teacher returns back. So the fifth raised issue was unhealthy academic process flow with the difficulty in tracking children progresses. Even though it is online classes, it is necessary for a school to track a child's academic progress. Since many platforms were used like WhatsApp, Zoom, WebEx, Edmodo, etc., and lack of real-time communications, the teachers were unable to track the children's progress, communication, and understanding overall. Hence, our school has taken a bold step in signing with a third-party service provider to provide a dedicated learning management space for child and school to go live and manage all the academic classes and children progresses synchronously. So we'll soon be stopping all live classes from varied platforms. Each student will be given a unique username and password for accessing the scheduled classes for the day. This platform would ensure the student safety online. Like the normal classes, ensure to follow the online safety rules without fail. We have provided 2 links below. One is for you to refer and ensure the online safety precautions before you hand over the phone or any device to your child. And the second link is a video guiding the children about how to access that learning management platform and use the various features in that platform. So kindly stay updated in the WhatsApp group to know your child's username and password, the demo class details, etc. Feel free to get in touch with us in case of any difficulties or any clarifications. Talking about the other issues, I thought to have compulsory eye yoga and dance exercise after every 60-minute class online. And also we are planning to give a dedicated time allotted by the facilitator to clear the doubts for the children. We have planned to give a weekly call, follow-up call by the respective class teachers to the parents to find how the children is progressing in the online classes. I hope the above points would help us to conduct the online classes without any hassles. Feel free to get in touch with us in case of any clarifications. Thank you for listening and have a good day. Bye.